Hi guys, welcome to Bharat Tech Talks, your very own technology channel guys. Guys, if this is your first time you're coming on this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Well guys, today we are going to talk about 4 mistakes which most people do while charging their phones. So you have to avoid these mistakes, and I promise you that you would be able to use your phone for a longer period of time in a very cool and successful manner. So what are these 4 mistakes which we have to avoid? So let's get started guys. Number 1 guys, you have to keep in mind that while you are charging your phone, never use a third party charger. Always use the charger and the cable which comes with your mobile phone. I mean to say that you should always use the original charger which comes with your mobile phone and original data cable which comes with your mobile phone. Because what happens is guys, that when we use a third party charger or a charger of another phone to charge your particular phone, the voltage and current ratings which are specific for your phone, they are not provided by that third party charger. So the possibility becomes that your phone battery could get damaged and it could adversely affect the condition of your phone. So always remember that never use a third party charger or a cable. Always prefer your original charger and cable to charge your phone. So this is mistake number 1. Mistake number 2, which most people do, is that what they do is that when you are going to charge your phone, make it a habit guys to remove the back cover of your phone. Because what happens that when you put your phone on charging and the cover is on your mobile phone, the heat, it gets trapped in the phone, and this heat which gets trapped in your mobile phone, because when the cover is on, right, that heat is not dissipated in the environment, and when that heat is not properly dissipated in the environment, your temperature of your phone rises, the temperature of the battery of your mobile phone rises, and it adversely affects the performance of your mobile phone. So guys, always remember that when you are putting your phone on charge, make it a habit of removing the cover and then charge your phone. So this is mistake number 2. Mistake number 3 friends, which most people do, is that what we do, people are mostly in the habit of what they do is that when they come home at night or from office or from anywhere else, you put your phone to charge overnight. That is, you keep your phone plugged overnight and it keeps on charging and charging and charging throughout the night. Well, some phones, they do have those overprotection circuits in them. They cut off the charging when your battery is fully charged, but still guys, that puts a lot of load on the battery of your mobile phone, and chances are that over a prolonged, if you do this again and again, the battery of your phone may explode, which is a very dangerous thing, right? So to avoid this, make it a habit that never ever put your mobile phone to charging for complete night, right? So this habit must be avoided at all costs, and keep your phone up. Just make it a habit of charging your phone while you're awake. When you are going to sleep, plug out your phone and again put it on charge in the morning. This would be much you can say beneficial for you. And last but not least guys, the 4th mistake which most people do is the use of third party apps for fast charging. Now you will find number of these apps on Play Store or App Store, but never use these apps to fast charge your phone, because what happens is that number 1 thing what they do is that they keep on running in the background of the phone, and when they keep on running in the background of the phone, that instead of you can say helping you out, they drain the battery, right? So never use these third party apps. Also, there is a possibility of data leakage when you are using these third party apps for fast charging the phone. And well guys, why should we use these third party apps for fast charging? Because nowadays most of the mobile phones, they are coming with at least 10 watt 15 watt chargers, and which are enough to fast charge your phone. So guys, this is it, what I wanted to convey you in this video. Do avoid these 4 mistakes and you will be able to enjoy your phone for a longer period of time without any problem. So well guys, I hope you will like this video. If you do, kindly hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon, and share this video with your friends and family members. And as always, as I say, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.